Mr. Brahms' famous lullaby. As you know, a lullaby is a song that's helping us sleep. So it's supposed to be quiet and soothing and gentle throughout. And if you look at the music here, you're going to notice a sign like this. If you have a pedal at home, go ahead and hold it down during the last 2 bars. If not, that's fine. We'll just play with what we have. Now looking over at my left hand, I have my 3 placed on A, my right hand 3 on F, 5 on A. Left hand here has the melody, and let's take a listen. Quiet. Move my thumb over. Play any high F you like. Starting on right hand, 3 on F and 5 on A. We're going to hold it together. Again. Next page, I'm moving my thumb down to C. And any F. I'll pick this one. Because left hand has the melody, we do want it to be a little bit louder than the right hand. B flat, B flat, B flat again.